afternoon, I saw two little birds and they were just flying next to me. And I had a great idea. Let's pretend our fingers are little birds and we are making a wall with our fingers as well. And we have two birds left. Are you ready like me? Two little Dicky birds sitting on the wall, one named Peter and one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Here they are, flying now away and hiding. Bye. Hello, my friends. Do you remember the old ships that traveled by sea from one continent to another bringing goods? My ship came from China and brought me loads of presents and my own little chicks just out there, which I am feeding every morning to make them grow big and strong. And they live with their mommy, Mrs. Hen. So every morning I take